All right, so I'm gonna again, I'm gonna break this video out as a part of our Trade Like a Boss session. So we're gonna be looking at Omisego. This is tradingview.com. If you want to follow me on there, BDKelly1203 is my name. There's a link in the description and the #1 comment on this video. So let's go ahead and check out OMG to the Bitcoin. All right, so again, this is the method we use. It's called the boss method. We just use 3 simple moving averages. The white is a 7-day moving average, the blue is a 77, and the columns are a 271. You can just click on this little chart icon and type in BK. That will load this method up for you. You can literally download my method right there. Click on that ultimate BK. Moving averages, 1,000 people using it, making money right now. That's pretty cool. And that's exactly what it is. Sometimes we use the 21 if we want to look inside of like 2 weeks, but because we're just looking at a general trend, we can just use the 7, 77, and 231. The 21 is really just used for, you know, inside 2 weeks. That's when it becomes useful. 2 weeks worth of data or on a quicker scale. Right. I was like, what is that coin? It's so ugly. Oxford, what is that? So here we go. This is Omisego, and this is like one of the best coins on the list. It's very, very strong. You know that by the simple fact that that 7 was running for almost 60 days, right? 2 months plus, like just positive money on money, right? And so from what we learned, we know that there's 3 parts to any given cycle. 3 parts to any cycle. There is a breakout, a breakdown, and a flat line, right? And now we're back on our breakout period. How long will it last? Well, let's check and see from where we came from, right? We broke down right there. We broke out right there. Let's shoot this thing going back up. Channel that we're in right now. And because this was a polar reversal, basically, if we look at that 231 behind it, we had a complete reversal on that 231. We can basically go in and take the time. We can even start at the beginning since we don't have an intersection. Take the time from the lowest point possible on that white to the maximum point possible to that breakdown right there. Let's do that. The maximum of that 231. So that's breakout. Where do I want to take this? Right there. Breakout, breakdown, flat line, breakout. And those are our quick intersections, right? So we had a breakout, and now I'm looking at the 7. Breakout, breakdown, flat line. This is going to be our breakout section, right? So this is a very, very strong chart going into the next 3 months. Technically back here was the time you wanted to buy it. If you were a little bit, cautious, you could have waited until that 77 confirmed it right there, which would have gave you a pretty solid entry price. If not at 66, then you should have for sure been in it right around 98, right? We just take a little bit of extension on that. Bam! 68%, inside of a month. That's not bad. We're going to have probably a little bit of downward pressure coming on this thing once these altcoins pull back. So what does that mean? That means that more than likely this 7 is going to fall down back to the bottom of this money zone. This is where you want to buy this thing. If you can get OMG under 15 right there, you will make some money on it. This is a very strong coin. inside those green bars is the best place to buy it, especially if you buy it at the bottom, because this is basically a micro correction on a long-term reversal. So all you're going to see is something like that, and it's going to build up again before it breaks out, right? And since this is a global reversal, it should get up there by the end of the cycle, and that'll be right around the beginning of March, right? This thing will really take off probably closer to here. What I'm doing is I'm just eyeballing, I'm dividing that in half, but then I'm gonna divide that in half. And this is gonna be where this thing just hits the accelerator at 217. The reason I did that is because I see this thing going down in the short term. So that kind of negates this whole section right here. And I know that between this section and this section, it needs to get up there. That means the second half of this thing is going to be like power move, right? And that's centralized right there, right around Valentine's Day. You know, 217 is going to be a big day for these altcoins, right? In the meantime, you know, just hold off on it if you don't have it. See if you can buy it at a discount. If you absolutely wanted to get in the market, it's not a bad coin, you know, just to buy and hold for the next 4 weeks and make some real deal money on it, right? So that is Omisego, again, a beautiful coin, which should get all the way up to 26, 25, 26, right? So you got a good chance to double your money if you buy it at a decent price under 15. You got a good chance to just about double it inside of six weeks, like a boss. That's not bad. That's a good coin, you guys. New trading tools, everybody. Patreon and Steam It communities growing right now. Every other day I post on both of these platforms. I'm doing a post today on both of those. So if you're in those communities, make sure you follow me, join me in that. Steam It is at BK Crypto Trader. Link is in the #1 comment on this video. And then if you're getting set up and you want to cash out like a boss, you go over to bossofbitcoin.com, right? As soon as this page wants to load up, you see we have a few things available. The #1 Bitcoin group in the world, 20,000 members. You can join now. The doors are always open. And then Cryptopolis report. This is the future, right? Everything is going digital. Everything is moving to the blockchain. Society is being rebuilt, right, inside this cryptoverse. And these 10 coins are literally paving the way to get us there. So again, $35. That list will be yours. From this list, let me see. I'll give you guys a few heads up on this deal. We just did a chart of number 9. If you count them 1 through 10, we just did number 9 earlier today. Number 8, we just talked about that as well. Number 7, wait on it. It's coming down. Honestly, I think number 5 is probably one of the best buys on the market right now, point blank, period. If you don't have at least 10% of your portfolio, your long-term money in number 5, you must not like money. Take that to the bank. You know what I'm saying? Cryptopolis is the real deal. Dream team, next generation of greatness. A lot of these coins are still going down right now. I wouldn't look at putting any long-term money in them. These are the coins to where they're built on the Ethereum blockchain. They're lower in market volume, liquidity, you know, a few billion maybe, as opposed to 5, 10, 20 billion each. So they're going to take another sharp hit when Bitcoin continues to go down. So hold off on those till they get to the bottom. And it's still a legitimate list, right? This is the next generation of greatness. These coins will break out probably 200, 300% over the next 3 months. However, inside the next 2 weeks, they'll probably break down another 10, 20, 30%, right? So hold off, hold back on it, you know, hold the reins. Let's go into a safe haven. Let's wait this storm out. It's not done yet. Bitcoin is going down, probably below 9,000 inside the next week. So just wait on it. And if you're interested, you know, I think I'm booked up through March, but it should be a few more slots in there. I think I tried to free up a few more. So if you're interested in a one-on-one, Also this week, I'm going to be upgrading this. We will have a beginner's course and an advanced course for everybody to kind of separate, self-select the information we disseminate to community. You know what I'm saying? And just like that, man, you know, that's what we do. We come here to empower each other, to make each other money, to make the world a better place, right? We have the power because we have the masses. We have the masses, you know, therefore we create what we value and what we don't. Don't let the bobbleheads on TV tell you you need to value keeping up with the Kardashians, because the Kardashians ain't paying the bills. Their bills are already paid, right? You don't even see them spend money. They got so much money, they don't even need to spend it. Other people spend it for them. That's crazy. That's crazy. So stop keeping up with the Kardashians. Just do this sometimes. If you ever in a room and you see something crazy on TV, these little music videos, now I don't even know what these kids be watching, but just press mute and look at the TV. Look at the garbage that they're presenting to you, right? Maybe not you, more than likely not you, but somebody you know. Just sit there, like sit there with them. If they watching, VH1 and all these stupid shows, just press mute and tell them just look at it. Is that what's gonna make you better? Is that what's gonna, be the next step in the direction of your future? It is a distraction to keep you disinformed, disempowered, disenfranchised, and therefore disinterested in how money actually works and changing your life, right? This method will change your life. This community will change your life. These videos, these words, this energy in my voice right now has already made an impact, right? Each one, reach one, teach one. The minute you get 10,000 in the market, you know what I'm saying? Put $100 to your best friend and say, hey, I set up an account for you. I know you wouldn't do it yourself, so I just put down 100. Here it goes. You know what I'm saying? Now you got to learn how to use it. I guarantee you just give somebody you love $100 on the blockchain and say, there it go. You know what I'm saying? That's my gift to you just for loving you. That's what we need to do. And so me giving money away every day, that's nothing, because I know every day I give away money, we at least got one more coming. Right. And so there you go. That's my gift to y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful thing, man. We are changing the world every day we wake up. Right. Don't let them bobbleheads on TV lie to you and tell you you need them to stay in power to work on your behalf. If they were that good at doing their job, we wouldn't be in the place we at right now. So let's rethink our values. And then maybe we can reassign our worth back to the people.
Boss. Huh. 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 Arms. Huh.